Here at Bird and Pest Southwest, we have built an excellent reputation throughout Devon and Somerset for our skilled falconry services and bird and pest control. Covering the commercial and domestic sectors, we can offer free informal advice, cost-effective solutions, and long or short-term bespoke contracts. From bird-proofing, netting and spiking to covering all pest control issues, including eradication of mice, rats, fleas, etc., we have the answer here at Bird and Pest Southwest. So call our friendly, fully qualified staff today for a quick response on 07545 158 800.